that the marketplace, if it didn't trend, we would not need markets. Okay, then what we're following here is a trending type of system. Now the reality would have been closer to something like this, based on what we talked about in Dallas, either a stop here at the moving average. Whoops, let me turn my magnet off so I can actually put it on there. A stop here at the moving average, or a stop here at the moving average. 147 or 190 pips. Now again, just look at what the market did. It made its move of 332. So again, you're into profits. That's the key here. The market trend is going to make up for any kind of whipsaw that you might take inside of the consolidation. And as I went over in another video, there were multiple entries in here for the aggressive trader. I won't rehash that. Please go back and review the first Dallas video, and you'll be able to see some of the entries that were possible in here, as well as some of the risk that you'd have to take as an aggressive trader. So this is more of a recap, okay? And it's because of some of the calls that I've gotten. I want to make sure that you're not feeling pressured to be in front of your computer. That was not what that is not what this system is about. Okay? So coming up, we're going to have a video going over expectancy. We're going to have a video about going over money management examples. Then we're going to have a video about combining expectancy and money management and getting into decision making. Then I'm going to talk about patterns, what to look for, how to tell if the market's going to move higher or lower, what the probabilities are, and just looking at some of the different ways that the market moves. So we're going to study past market behavior and continue to monitor that as time goes on to see, do these patterns continue to hold up? Then we're going to talk about going with the flow. I'm going to bring in some advanced concepts. We're going to talk about Stark bands, and we're going to talk about Keltner bands. Some of Keltner and his theories are some of what you're seeing here in this trend following this trend following system that I described for you in Dallas. And then what I'm going to do is review some results for a British pound trading system on an intraday basis to give you a little bit of an idea how this thing performs in the long term. And then we'll also take a look at some of the daily results. And then by the time you go through all of that, we'll be into next week. Again, the first webinar I've got scheduled for the Friday the 16th, right after I come back from my vacation next week, and we'll dive right into it. But you'll have a whole lot of background information to come into that webinar with. Hopefully you'll have some really good notes and some questions for me so we can get some good interaction there. So, again, short video, just a quick recap. Expect to see these videos coming out over the next few days. I'll dribble them out so you'll be able to get to them one at a time, or if you'd like, hopefully, I'm hoping to have them done by Friday. I've got to have them done by Saturday because I'm leaving. But by Friday you will have all of these videos to go over with. Watch them, write down your notes, so then when I come back next week we'll be able to get right into this.